want to make sure everything else is solidified before you throw him
so
out there.
throw out that thought that whoever the Dolphins draft, whether it be Tua or Herbert, they are not starting week 1.
No way.
No way.
No shot.
No way.
Oh, but they're starting soon. Because year 2 of Fitzpatrick.
Yeah.
You can sign up for Father Rocky's Lenten lesson.
Access to our award-winning documentaries, ebooks, special member events, and much more.
Deportivo junto a este caballero.
Leandro Soto para ti, por favor. Leandro Soto.
Oye,
En el
gracias.
ro-
Servicios.
Senior Stuart Swetland, go ask your father. Coming up next, we're back tomorrow. Hope to see you then.
His statistics, career.
Los domingos a las 4 de la tarde y los martes a las 10 de la mañana en el horario de...
Yes, 100 different ways. It's why I founded SoftRep.com. Military grade news produced.
Reword that then.
Okay, no.
Extrapolate that year over
Okay.
15 years, the Hall of Fame.
Okay, listen.
Come on.
I'm going to say this. Excellent to his standards.
Okay, his standard.
His standards
Thank you.
as far as, what
Much
he's
better.
shown as far as his elite years for his career. That's what I'm going to say.
He had good numbers last year.
Yeah.
And every
Good
time
numbers, that's what I said.
Right. And every time he has good numbers,
He drops off.
everybody
True.
gets gassed.
Uh-huh.
Everybody feels like they got their quarterback. It's a